So today I'm going to show you the Android stick, which is basically a stick that turns your television into a smart TV, an Android TV. So this is basically the product, and this would be the specifications. So you may want to pause to see the specification a little bit. Okay. Next, I'm going to show you the actual product. It comes in this package. As you can see, it's a plastic package. It's an OEM package right now, and this is basically the stick itself. So as you can see, there are holes for the cooling down. And this is a TF card slot, and this is a MyCore USB slot. This is the infrared slot for infrared controls. This is a USB, and this is the female HDMI. So what was in the package? The package comes with this IR dongle, which this would be able to plug into the IR slot. Okay. We also have the European 501 amp this adapter. So it comes with also this micro USB, and I'm gonna plug this into the Android dongle like this. So basically what it does is to simply power this on. So right now it would be able to start. Okay. We also have a monitor that I changed the DVI into HDMI, as you can see over here. I'm gonna plug this HDMI cable into this Android stick. So voila, basically that's what it does. Okay. It was also given a controller like this. We can use different kind of controller. We can also use a 2.4 gigahertz mouse with this thing. Okay. You may also use this kind of device. It's also a 2.4 gigahertz wireless controller. There are many different kinds of controllers in China, so really depends on what we want. It might have some cost issues, but basically you plug this into a USB, then it works. And I'm gonna turn on the monitor right now. So hopefully it shows up in the Android system. So now, see, this I have already showed to many people, and this machine is using an infrared at first. As you can see that it's turned on right now, and I will be able to browse through different sections like Play Store, browser, my apps, file manager, and settings. So I'll start with my apps, as I want to show you how the video is playing. Basically it's going into the video, and once you press you can see that it moves. Basically like I press right, it goes to the right. Okay. If I press enter, it goes in, and then now it's showing a video. I can fast forward it. See, there are ways to fast forward. I can change a different video. So now it's showing 720p and 1080p. So I'll press return. Then it will go back to the home page. where I'm gonna show you the Facebook. So once I press the Facebook, it goes into the app itself. And since I don't have a login name and so on, and everybody knows how Facebook works, so I'm not gonna demonstrate this much. So I'll go to the NBA Game Time, where I usually watch my playoff games. So there you go, you can see that it's basically a wireless device, and now it's going into different sections. I can work through it by pressing this and switch. I can see where the games are, who's winning, who's not winning, what's happening, and then basically it's doing everything that the Android Pass can do. So I can also go on to browsing. Okay, so video, pictures, browsing, apps. This one can do everything, and I'm gonna show you how the mouse works. Okay, so I'll take this out. Well, basically I don't have to take this out, but I can leave it in. It's kind of useless. Now I'm gonna use the mouse. Okay, I'll take out this part and insert it into the USB. Okay, then turn on the mouse. Now it shows the cursor. Okay, this mouse is like $3. Okay, so don't expect too much out of this mouse. But what I can do is to show you how easy that this works. I mean, this is basically becoming a computer itself. So this is a setting. You can choose a different blah blah blah, and the date and time, Google account, and so on. I can go into a PBS, which is a very popular streaming app in Asian countries. So here I will be able to watch cartoons. Okay, so this is called One Piece, and One Piece is basically the hottest selling comic in Asia. So I'll be able to download it, okay, and I'll be able to just play it. So right now I have pressed play, just to show you that once it connects up to the internet, then you'll grab some information. It's having a buffer right now at 11%, 13%, 20%. So our internet speed is not that fast. So, but 100 KB per second is good enough. So right now I'll be it'll show up into it's actually the cartoon itself. So it's streaming in a pretty good quality and very smoothly, or not very smoothly, but acceptable. I mean, compared to Blu-rays, this is not as good enough. I mean, the frame per second is not that great, but it's going very smooth. So if I press the right button here, I'll be able to hit out. Okay, and it asks me to say, you want to quit? I'll say yes, I'll quit. So now I'll be going into a game, like this random game that I downloaded called Perfect Kick. So that it's gonna go in the game and play the game. So I just press play. I believe this is in HD definition. See, I'll just go in here and start playing. It's a very easy game. Oh wow, I have so many people. Just training center. How do I play this game? Oh, there we go. I have to press this, then kick off. So yeah, this is how you can play. It's basically using the cursor as your finger. Okay, it's kind of like a Fruit Ninja, but a little bit different. Yeah, you see? So I scored. Oh, that's not good. Anyways, so I quit this game. Head out right now. I'll go to Chrome. I don't have a keyboard right now, but if I switch this out, so instead, there was a phone call. So anyways, I'm going to show you how this thing is going to work. Okay, I'm going to plug this into here. This is actually from different companies. Okay, so once that's put in, I will be able to access with the air mouse. So I'll turn this on. As you can see that I'm moving, so the cursor moves as I'm moving. Okay. It takes some time to adjust and how to use this, but basically it's not that hard. So I'll switch to the medium part so that I can type. www.n4g.com and enter. There you will load the N4G and it'll basically this is a like computer now. Okay. See, I'll be able to move up and down to see and browse pretty easily like this. So I can also go in here, but yeah. Anyways, this is just a controller like this. Okay? So that's pretty much the demonstration of an Android stick. It basically turns your television into an Android device. Okay, so that's all for today.